Hello friend, how are you? Hope you are doing good. My name is Ijaz and today I'll show you how you can include image in your HTML web page. In this video we discuss all the aspects and how we can display an online image, an offline image and the image in different folder. Okay, without further delay, let's start. First of all, what is image tag? For this, we are using img. This is image tag and it is self-closing tag so that we are not going to close like close with this. Okay, this is automatically closed. Okay, maybe my handwriting is not good and this is the syntax. First we use img tag, then src, then alt, and width, height. It specifies the height and width of the image. Let's discuss what is these attributes. Here, these are the attributes which we include in our syntax. First is src. Now src, let me just first put my laser on. Okay, src is nothing but the path and the link of the image that we are using or going to display in our html page, and alt is the message if our browser is not support the image format or maybe there's an error, then this tag tell us the viewer that we are talking about, we are displaying this type of image. And height and width is specified according, for example, like this is height and this is width. Okay, nothing else. And now we go to the VS Code, then uh, then perform the all of this. Okay, now here first I clear all this, and then by default I use shortcut key exclamation mark and hit enter, and here I specify the name our images. Okay, and here you can see I have these images which I'm going to use in this. I use img, and here I provide slider 1.jpg, and here first I see what is this. This is a forest, then I text as forest. Okay, now save this and copy the path as usual and paste it here. You can clearly see this is automatically fit according to the size of the image. Here we are not provide the height and width of the image. Let's do that. In here after alt I provide width 300 and height again 300. Now see how our image look like now. Now you can see this image is a little bit not supposed to look like. It's stretch, compressed and stretched by the height and compressed by the width. Okay, you can check the height and width, then specify the according to your need. And after that, now we are going to specify an image that it's not a here, which means it's not in our current directory but in another directory. For example, I choose let's see, here we go. Is there any image? Yeah, here is the image and I copy the path, not image, I copy path. Okay, and here img tag again and pasted the path, but you can clearly see this path is not working because this is mm, backslash forward slash, but we want backslash in our document. Okay, or not double quote. This is the path of the an external image that we use to display in our image web page. Okay, now we specify alt. First I show you the image. Okay, this is our image, img academy. It's nothing, I just choose a random image. And here now you can specify the img. I specify and height and width 300 and height 200. Okay, now you see the image. Now it's good, it's look like okay. And after that I wanted to import an image from online in this page. How we do this? Okay, let's see. Image. Okay, not this. Image. Okay, and here we go. I choose this image to display in our web page. Copy the image address and img paste here. Now let's see if it is working or not. You can see it's completely fine, and you can specify alt again and height and width also. If you are using online image, then you have to specify the alt tag and height and width if it's completely on your choice. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, or if this video helped you, then please subscribe my channel, share with your friend. Bye bye.